At Dorner, we're transforming conveyor automation by providing cutting-edge precision conveyance solutions designed to increase your efficiency and productivity. With a complete line of industrial belted, modular belt, and flexible chain conveyors, as well as the industry's widest variety of sanitary conveyor designs, we have a conveyor for almost every application. With the precision of a Dorner conveyor, we'll get your product to the exact location, in the exact position, at the exact time it needs to be there for the next phase in your production process. This results in optimal performance and efficiency, reduced waste, less downtime, and maximized production output. Dorner conveyors are engineered for a broad range of industries, including packaging, assembly automation, food processing and handling, manufacturing, pharmaceutical, medical, and more. Dorner's industrial and sanitary product lines are designed to improve your processes. Our best-in-class transfers move products from conveyor to conveyor and between equipment and conveyor without losing orientation, spacing, or location. Dorner's precision conveyors can provide speeds up to 300% greater than conventional conveyors, so you can run your equipment at a higher capacity, maximizing throughput and your ROI. Our line of precision move conveyors and servo motors provide precise belt movement when accuracy and placement is key. Dorner's custom V-guiding ensures belts are tracking properly. This means our belts and your products will be running straighter and more reliably. With a 4,500 square foot in-house belting cell, we're able to manufacture a wide variety of belts faster than any other conveyor manufacturer. With in-house splicing, cleat welding, and V-guiding techniques, we create quality belts that enhance any conveyor system. Dorner conveyors have sleek, low-profile frames, allowing them to fit into tighter spaces when machine space is at a premium. Our vertical conveyor options allow the use of overhead conveyors, saving valuable floor space and keeping operator aisles open. At Dorner, food safety is paramount. Our line of sanitary conveyors are hygienically designed to provide more confidence in your food handling equipment and product quality. Dorner provides complete support to customers around the world through a global workforce of more than 400 skilled employees, with locations in the United States, Germany, Malaysia, Canada, and Mexico. Dorner conveyors are designed with industry requirements in mind and can be made to stand up to the most stringent regulations. We're proud to offer reliable aftermarket support through our full line of replacement parts and services, such as installations, parts auditing, and preventative maintenance programs. We provide valuable resources for our customers, including application and service hotlines, literature and instructional manuals, service videos, and more. Using Dorner's unique online configurator, you can design and engineer simple or complex conveyors to meet your needs in minutes. The industry-leading tool delivers a complete 3D CAD assembly model for instant validation of fit. Dorner conveyors are available through a worldwide, best-in-class distribution network. And with a commitment to fast shipping, complete conveyor systems can ship in as little as 3 days. Dorner conveyors also come standard with the peace of mind of the Dorner 10-year warranty. Dorner's world-class team will make sure to find the right technology for your specific need. Contact us today to get started.